Hello everyone, welcome back extend video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to put different location on Snapchat. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, what you need to do is update your Snapchat account, and after that open your Snapchat, and from here what you need to do is get one snap, and after that scroll right side, and from here you tap on location filter. You as can see my location and tap on your location. From here you search for this any one location like UK. You as can see put my different location on my Snapchat and tap on your story and tap on add, and after that tap on your story, tap on your story. You as can see, if the video is helpful then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.